Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Café con leche, Cuban American infusion experience. What do we got here today? We got homemade, hand pressed, barbecued bacon cheeseburger for a Sunday afternoon. And as usual, this does not contain ketchup. Bon appetit and blessings. I hope all these ideas give you guys a motivation to cook for yourselves, because it's expensive out there nowadays and you don't get your money's worth. Not to talk down onto the fast food industry, but you know what I mean. These burgers here probably cost me to make maybe 19, 20 bucks. Blessings again.